Hey guys, so another thing that we always keep bottles of at home is coconut nectar. Coconut nectar is a great supplement for soy. I know what you're thinking, nectar, right? It's not sweet. It's kind of just got this rich flavor that you would find in soy sauce. So I throw it in all of our dishes. Plus, it's only got 2 grams of carbs per 15 mils, which is pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, so no added sugars.
Okay guys, so another staple in Ashley and I's house is nut butters. Okay, so we stay away from peanut butters. They have been known to have a bunch of aflatoxins and not as good for you as the almond butter or cashew butter. Okay, so we always have almond butter on hand, and that's a great addition to our baking. We use it for our sweet potato brownies. So we like to buy the nuts to you nut butters. Okay, this is the organic cashew butter. And then we like the organic almond butters, okay? So you can substitute that to make our collagen bars with all these butters. And it's great to just take a spoonful and put it in your mouth for the healthy fats, okay? We'll throw that in. So another thing Ashley and I like to do is bake, obviously, if you've seen our shows. So some of the things or the alternate sugars we use for our baking. Okay, we use, for a whole food diet, we use the organic palm sugar, okay? It's not as refined as table sugar, okay? We're going to take some of that. And we also use this swerve stuff, so when we go ketogenic and we want less carbohydrates, we don't want something that's going to stimulate our insulin levels, okay? We can use swerve, great product, okay? Let's throw that in. Come with me. Come with me. A lot of the time, okay? This is the best chocolate, okay? It's called Lean and Black's Organic. So we want to use, now again, great for a quick snack, but we use the 85%. You don't want to go any lower than 70% when you start getting too much sugar in, okay? So we'll take 2 to 85 because we put those, we chop them up and put those in our cookies. So 2 to 85, and then if we have guests over, we always have a 70 for them. Let's get it now. Come with me, come on the kick drum. Okay, so now we're in the flour aisle. Okay, so oh my God, there's so many flour. What do I pick? Okay, one of the big things we like to cook with is we like a split of coconut flour and almond flour. Okay, it's low on the carbohydrate scales. It's less refined than the white flours. Okay, so let's check this out. Another good one is quinoa. We love Bob red mill flour, so we always get this almond flour. Now for baking, we use the almond flour, not the almond meal. So we always take this, but it's hard to cook with these flours, okay? So I like to, for my cookies, I like to mix it with coconut flour to actually make it a little bit better texture. So, Bob red mill, he's got this great coconut flour too. And for our banana bread, what I like to use, now this is stuff once you get better at eating well and eating the whole foods diet, and you want to make special treats, this is on a special occasion. We don't like to go out, we like to shop here at Organic Garage, get all our stuff healthy. So this is the 100% organic stone ground quinoa flour from Bob's Red Mill. Also a fantastic product. Alright, let's go. What are you doing?
Another staple in our house are coconut milks and coconut creams. Organic Garage has a crazy selection of all of them. So, favorite brand of ours is Chaw's. They make a full cream. You don't, if you're eating a healthy fatty diet, like a healthy fat diet, you don't want to get the light stuff. You want to get full cream. So they make a full cream and they make full milks. Best part though is you can also get them, they make them in a lemongrass flavor and a marsala flavor. So if you're making a stir fry and you want to add some flavors and you just don't want it to be full coconut, you can get it there. Favorites in our household are going to be your organic popcorn, okay? This stuff is so good, and you know what's the best thing to put in this? Nutritional yeast by Bragg's. It's got a nutty, sort of buttery flavor, and it's got added protein.
And a ton of beta vitamins.
Yep. Another thing, sea snacks, what? These are all organic and come in a variety of flavors. And guess what? Some of the most dense nutrient things come from the sea.
Nutrient dense.
Whatever.
So guys, this is our end haul. This is kind of what we've come up with. Now, we have our proteins, right? A lot of color, a lot of vegetables in here, okay?
Hey guys, so we got all of the stuff that we need for breakfast, lunch, and dinners. We'd love to thank Organic Garage for letting us do this. Remember, stick to the outside of the grocery store when shopping, and make sure the majority of your basket is produce, but also some snacks and some meat. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below, and if you want to get in touch with us, check out healthandhomedco.com.
Come on, let's go eat.